welcome to my channel. It is Ukachi right here. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're not new, welcome back home. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY Chebe oil, Chebe infused oil actually. And for this, you're actually going to just need like 3 or 4 ingredients. You're going to need any oil of your choice. I am using the Goya olive oil, and this retails for 500 naira, like the whole bottle. This is about 88.7 ml. That's like 3 F. I don't know what's the name, the conversion. You also need your own Chebe powder. This is by a brand called AY Organics, and I actually really like their Chebe powder. This is my second, let's say, container or second one I am using. We'd also need an empty bottle and a plastic spoon. That's all. And you also need sunlight. That's all. So let's get mixing. Hey there, so I have mixed it. This is how it looks. So I'm going to put this in the sun for about 10 to 14 days so that the Chebe would infuse into the oil. Then I would sieve out the Chebe and probably reuse it for another batch of oils or something like that. So I'm going to put this on my window pane now and wait for 14 days, I guess. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you're going to try this, and yeah, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. I hope I see you in my next video. Bye.